Hey guys, welcome back. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. Alrighty, so we're in the afternoon session here, guys. I just picked up a small little trade for this week's expo. I wanted to share that with you guys here. Nice pickup in the market here as well. Gilead's nearing 76 bucks a share, which is looking good. There she goes again, 75.92. Let me put that over here. GILD. That's looking phenomenal there. Nice climb in Gilead since this morning. Really nice climb in Gilead. Alrighty, guys. So first things first here, I wanted to share with you guys the trade I just made, the small trade. Now, like I said, alrighty, so here we go. Alrighty, can you guys see that? Let's see here. Alrighty. So here was the trade that we just made. New trade alert. It's an overnight, possibly hold it until Friday, see what happens tomorrow with the markets and with NVIDIA. But this is a new trade alert, overnight trade on NVIDIA. We're buying to open the NVIDIA 280 strike call for the March 6th Expo, currently trading at about 480 a contract if you wanted to jump in at that. So that's the new trade setup. That's the new trade alert on NVIDIA. I did a very, very small trade of just about $1,000 on that NVIDIA trade because we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. There could be new cases of the coronavirus that come out and spook the markets. Markets have a big drop. There's so many different things that could happen. So we're keeping our trades small for now. That's critically important that you guys understand that. Trades are small for now. Volatility is here, and we need to properly hedge and protect our capital. So for right now, I did that small $1,000 trade on NVIDIA, and let's see what else we have going on. First off, I want to make sure you guys could hear everything fine. If you guys could hear me, please let me know in the trade room. If you guys are using the website right now, it's going to be much quicker and faster than if you're watching on YouTube. I put it on YouTube today just to see how it looks for myself. So I found out a way I could do some other editing here, which is really cool and going to be able to help you guys, because what I could do now is in the top right-hand corner, I could put a list of everything we're watching for the day or any trades we're currently in. So a lot to do. Really not a bad day today. We are down about $1,500 today, which is not bad considering we were just at all-time highs in the account earlier this week. Home Depot option alert, the June 19th 190 strike. Puts are coming in. Johnson & Johnson puts, Ford puts. So I did that small trade. It's really nice seeing Gilead at 76. Remember this morning when it was around 71 bucks, $72, and we were nervous on that Gilead trade, but we knew it was holding. If you look at the 3-month daily chart with our trade plan, you could see this entire time here it's been holding that 20. Nice breakout momentum here, right? Right here on February 7th, had a nice high, and then what happened? We retraced back down to that 20 on February 20th. We retraced down to the 20, then we had another big breakout. And on February 27th, we got up to about 79 bucks. What happened? Next day, we retraced all the way back down to that 20 SMA, the body of that handle held above the blue 20-day SMA, and then we started to climb from there. And since that climb, we've been holding above the 10-day simple moving average, and we're near the highs. We're at the highs of the day right now. So I think tomorrow there's a good chance we could get up to $78. And that's right there alone is even a nice swing trade, even if you got the March 13th expo. Like, let's take a look here, GILD. If we put that in the option chain here and we look at first off, let's look at the March 6th. The 76 strike's only going for about $1.25, which is dirt cheap, easy 100%er. But what we can do is do something like a vertical spread here, buy to open, sell to open. We could do something like this as well if we wanted to do this week's expo and do a paycheck trade. What we do is do the 75, 76 vertical bull call spread for the March 6th or March 13th, possibly even the March 20th monthly expo. Nice thing about this, look, it's going to cost 50 cents to be worth $1. That's not a bad trade right here whatsoever. So as long as it's above 75.50, well, as long as it's above 75.48, you're not going to lose any money. Anything above 75.48, you start to make a profit. Your max gain is going to be with Gilead above 76. It's cost 48 cents to be worth $1. So that would be a max net gain if you got this spread for 48 cents. Divide that by 0.48. That's a max net gain of 108.33%. So you're going to make over 108% return if you got into this trade and it just climbed 9 cents higher. It's at 75.91 right now, just 9 cents higher, 8 cents higher, and you have 108% return on Friday. That's not a bad idea. Maybe I'll just pick up 10 contracts, see what happens with it. I already do have that large trade on Gilead. Let's see, Gilead. About $2,000 in there for this week's expo, which isn't too bad. But there you go, 4 cents away from 108%. Now it's at 52 cents. So it's kind of just like trading a penny stock. It was just worth 48 cents. Now it's worth 52 cents. And you could buy and sell that at any time. So it's a really nice idea there if you want to look at spreads compared to regular calls when the IV, the implied volatility, is much higher. So there's many things we could do here. We could look at next week's March 13th expo 76 strike. That's even cheap, 76.8. And then at 80, we'd have 100% return. That's definitely doable. But that's what you'd be looking at with that. All right, so I have someone from the bank here helping with the payment processor here, getting a new system installed for the Trading Academy here in Orlando. So I'm going to help him. I'm going to put this on mute for a second. I'm going to let you guys continue to watch this. And yes, we are still in the Bank of America March 20th, 28 strike call, and we paid 94 cents a contract for that. Currently bid of 83, ask of 86. So still in the Bank of America, Lennar, NVIDIA. Those are the 3 trades we made today while we closed out Disney and SPY calls. All right. If you guys have questions, ask in the trade room. I'm just going to put this on mute while he talks to me about some personal business matters here. So if you need anything, just let me know. I'm right here, and he should be done in about 15 minutes, right? All right. All righty, guys. Let me know if you need anything, and I'm going to unmute this in a couple of minutes here. There goes NVIDIA starting to break out again, guys. 2050 a share and climbing. We are now green on our NVIDIA trade. Guys, Gilead looks ready for another big climb tomorrow. You know, it's near the highs of the day. Look at that breakout momentum, 1020 cross, holding that 20. Nice breakout momentum here. Went all the way up 27th of February, got to highs, retraced back down into that 20. And now, as you can see, it's breaking out, holding above that 10-day simple moving average. We're near the highs of the day now. I think we could see this easily at $78 to $80 a share by the end of the week. It's already up almost $2 today, so it's 76. Another $2 climb brings it to 78. We could still easily see $80 by the end of the week. I like how we're holding above that 10-day, and it's having a nice strong climb here and looking good. NVIDIA holding, continuing to climb there. Let's see, what else do we have? Tilray, I don't like that one. I'm not trading any marijuana stocks. That one's in pure BDM. I remember this thing was like $200 a share, wasn't it? Wow, got all the way up to almost 300, and now it's a $12 stock. That's unbelievable.
Futures still at 46.78 down 40 cents.
So someone in the trade room yak at me said, your NVIDIA chart seems to be turning scary. Will it bounce? I have this zoomed in. So it only went from 280 down to 279. So it's only a 50-cent drop from the highs. It's still up 5.2%. So see, if I zoom out, don't be too worried about that. You know, I zoom in because I like micromanaging my trades. So that's perfectly fine. I just zoom in quite a bit so you can see exactly what it's doing each minute here. So don't worry about that. You know, if there's something to worry about, I'm going to tell you. And please ask away. I love when you guys ask questions. Where are you looking at the video at, Vinny?
Lakeland Industries, 8K filing out on LAK.
Vinny, that'll work too if you guys go to the website, breakingchartalerts.com, and use that. There's some call sweeps coming in space right now, guys. SPCE. I want to see Gilead continue to break out here. I'm going to close out that APDN. That's not doing too much there.
UBER, Uber, Morgan Stanley commented now. It says Uber continues to be a top pick for Morgan Stanley.
I closed out APDN, guys.
At our conference today, Uber's CEO reiterated the goal to achieve Q4 profitability on an EBITDA basis. That's UBER.
Uber.
United Airlines to reduce flights, freeze hiring on coronavirus will cut U.S. flying by 10% for April, trim international flying by 20% for April. That's UAL, United Airlines.
You guys just heard that they're cutting projections for airlines for everything here. So markets are pulling back a little bit. Vinny, RCL, to me, I like the looks of it. You know, I would personally hold it. I would do a new trade on it, to be honest with you, the RCL. I'd do something for the March 20th Expo or a little further out. Here's the Virgin Galactic 32 strike call sweeps coming in for this Friday. That's insane. They're very cheap, though. United Air to cut flights, freeze hiring.
RAT, Rite Aid, January 2022, $7 put at the bid, 5,000 contracts. That's Romeo Alpha Delta. MEET, Rosenbeck Media, Ducom Group nears deal to acquire Meat Group, according to Reuters sources. ProSiemens Nucom nears deal to acquire Meat Group, that according to Reuters. MEET, Michael Echo Tango. That's MEET, Meat Group, that headline from Reuters now. There's a Meat Group hitting a high of 644. German broadcaster ProSiemens Sat One Media. E-commerce on Newcom Group is nearing a deal to acquire Meat Group that could value the U.S. dating app developer at more than $500 million, according to sources on Wednesday, speaking to Reuters. Shares of Meat Group again popping to 644 and halted on the circuit breaker.
RCL is having a big drop here as well. A big pullback on RCL here. Love to get the puts for this week's expo, but look at how expensive they are. You literally need a 5% drop in 2 days. I mean, that's how high this IV is. It's insane. I'll stay away from that for right now. Now, if the IV is still high, when we do rebound, we're going to be doing a lot of spreads. So if you guys aren't familiar with spreads, please watch my video. Please ask questions or please sign up for some classes, because we are going to be doing a lot of spreads with the increased IV on these option premiums. There goes RCL dropping below 76 shortly here. This stock just resumed trading after being halted here. Let's take a look at the volume quick.
Germany's pro-Siemens media.
Huge volume coming in. This is going to blow up.
74 the high now on meat.
I just got in a small trade in meat. on that news.
AYTU, A2 Bioscience, in the high 64 cents on heavy volume, AYTU. ALT, Altimmune, slides are out now, and Alpha Lima Tango.
Another nice climb for NVIDIA there. Visa's still on the climb here as well. Here's a 1020 cross there on NVIDIA. Notice how certain days we're sitting back, which is perfect. I got the NVIDIA, happy with that. Visa's looking really good, guys. I have the 192.50 calls on Visa for March 6th Expo. I really think they're going to make a huge profit. I'm down right now 56% on the Visa calls. The 192.50s I picked up for $4.55 a contract. They're currently going for $1.96 by $2.07. I think that's going to be an easy, well, if you got it now, it could be an easy double. Me, I need it at 201, 202 basically to make a 100% return. So I should have averaged down on that, but I was telling Jay even, I'm not a big fan of averaging down. There goes Visa again. Meets on the climb. There goes meat again. New highs. I just said that, Charlie.
EB, Deutsche Bank, Delta Bravo, Deutsche Bank, January $10 call activity, 7,600 contracts on Deutsche Bank, Delta Bravo.
There goes meat again, guys. Nice climb.
VIE, Viela Bio resumes trading now and continues moving lower. The Victor India Echo. INTX and Textile shares winning here on volume and the record top at X-ray. INTX.
So you guys remember the face mask respirators I ordered from Amazon? They said it'll be here by Wednesday. Well, I got an email. They took the money, a couple $100. Got an email. They said there's a national shortage and they're not going to be available for months. Could you believe that? That's scary. Everyone's buying them. Where the heck are they? I want some. If any one of you have them, send them right my way. 5401 South Kirkman Road, Orlando, Florida. What's my zip code here? 32819, I think it is. I can't believe they sent me that. There goes meat again, guys. 686. Now, see, my options are still down. I'm down 32% on my meat calls because the spread is so big, and I picked them up at 85 cents. So, that's what that means. Sometimes it's just better off picking up shares, and I should have done that. I should have just picked up 1,000 shares there at 650. Would have made a quick $300 instead of being down 200. But as that continues to run there, I'll be fine. Just need some time. There goes meat again. New highs of the day, 691, 692. Continuing to climb there. Yeah, Eric, definitely way too much premium on that one. Way too much. At 50 by 80 now. Could probably pick that up for 65 cents. Meat's holding that 10-day really well. I want to see NVIDIA start to climb here. I think we could see NVIDIA back above 280 by the EOD. Dow's up 900, NASDAQ's up 237. NVIDIA trade is almost green now. There we go, guys. Our NVIDIA trade is now in the green. Like that trade. Really, really like that trade. I think that's going to have a big day tomorrow. Guys, take a look at our Lennar trade, LEN. That paycheck trade we made on Lennar is almost at max net gains, only 89 cents away. And we have till Friday. You guys can't hear me. You guys should be able to hear me fine. Can you guys hear me? I need to know. I didn't change nothing. I didn't change a single thing. Not sure why you heard it before and not now. What a heck of a day, though, today, guys. We're having a nice day. Our Bank of America, NVIDIA trades up. Our NVIDIA trades up 20% already. That's insane. Lennar trade's going to do phenomenal. Let's see, what else do we have here? Visa's doing great. I wanted to add to Visa, but hold off a little bit, I guess. Look at NVIDIA run, guys. What a move. 283, it's near. And there she goes. She just broke 283, 283.03, 283.05, 283.10, 283.14, 283.20. Nice climb there, guys. Our Bank of America trades up 7%. Wow, nicely done. Nicely done. Guys, quick question I have for you guys. I'm leaving tomorrow morning for my mother's 60th birthday, so I'm not going to be in Pennsylvania until about probably 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we won't be live tomorrow morning, but I have a question. I'm booking my flight now. I've never been on any of these cheap airlines. What one's better, Frontier, Spirit, or Allegiant? Out of those three, I think Allegiant's the best out of those. But this Frontier, for me and my daughter, nonstop round trip, it's only $224. You can't beat that. If I take American Airlines, it's $1,700. $1,500 difference. There goes NVIDIA again, 283.36 and climbing. 283.39, 283.57. Wow, guys, we're up 45% on that trade. Now our Bank of America trades up 9%. Nice job here, guys. I should have made a large. I'm going to make a larger trade on NVIDIA right now. I'm going to add to it. I think that's going to have a big day tomorrow. I'm going to get the March 20th Expo on NVIDIA, put a little bit more into it. All right, let's do the 13th. Let's see, 285. All righty. Yeah, let me get a better price here. I think I could get this for 60. There we go. I just added 5 contracts to the NVIDIA March 20th, 285. Take a look at this. Alrighty, guys, I just made a new trade. Let's see if it comes up on YouTube like this. Dynasty. Hold off a little bit, I guess. There it is. It just came up. NVIDIA is still heading higher. Guys, our Bank of America trade's now up 12%. Nicely done today, guys. That's patience and discipline for you right there. The new NVIDIA trade's now up 5%. I'm up 10% already on the new NVIDIA trade. I'm up 600 on the other NVIDIA trade, up 55% on the first NVIDIA trade, 10% on the second, 11% on Bank of America. And Lennar is going. Guys, if Lennar's bringing you down, it's because of the bid and the ask. It's not the true value. Tomorrow you will see the true value. So don't worry about Lennar. Lennar is going to be max gains. It's just, it's really screwed up there the way it's showing up. Tomorrow we should have this account at new all-time highs.
Communications, GWRV Guidewire Software, MRVL Marvell Technology, SPLK Splunk, ZM Zoom Video Communications.
Let's see. Yak at me is asking, what is the exit for Bank of America? All right, Yak at me. First off, you need to understand the trade plan, because if you know the trade plan, you'd already know the exit for this. All right, so our exit is going to be Bank of America. We have the 28 strike call. We picked it up for 94 cents. We're going to have that be $30. That's where we're going to take our profit at 30. Our stop is going to be a candle below 27.75. Guys, what a nice finish to the day here. Really happy and pleased about this. And I'm going to see you guys in the morning. Really great day today, guys. Got to go pick up Sophia. So great job, guys. I will see you tomorrow morning. I'm not going to see you tomorrow morning. I'm going to see you in the afternoon. I'm not sure what flight I'm getting yet. So I'll be around in the afternoon because, of course, I'm going to be checking out these trades. But I'll be in the trade room regardless. I'll definitely be in the trade room.
QU reporting a loss of 14 cents, but you have $6.2 million. That's because uniform, Michael's uniform.
Alrighty, guys. See you tomorrow.